Restorative dentistry is a crucial part of improving the health and appearance of your teeth. It usually includes the replacement of missing or damaged teeth and fixing decayed gums, cavities and teeth. Restorative dentistry is usually performed with cosmetic dentistry to provide you with a complete dental makeover. Although there are aesthetic benefits of restorative dentistry, the main benefits include regaining the ability to eat and chew better, more comfortable smiling, and increasing your overall dental health. Restorative dentistry can also reduce the risks of oral cancer and other oral diseases, improving not only your health, but your self-confidence. A wide variety of techniques and services are used in restorative dentistry to improve your overall dental health. This includes dentures, dental crowns, dental bridges, and dental implants. If you want the best results from restorative dentistry, you need the right diagnosis and a detailed treatment plan from highly trained doctors who use the latest equipment and technology. And that's where we come in. So what are you waiting for? Give us a call or stop by our website for more information on how you can get on the fast track to better dental health today.